Get your fucking face out of my way, long nose.
You the one with the fucking face stripe.
At least I'm thinner than you, motherfucker.
Which means I'm stronger than you, motherfucker.
Oh yeah. Beat this motherfucker. Come and kill this motherfucker herd. Wait, I've lost my herd. Fuck.
You're so dumb. I can see your motherfucking herd right over there and you can't, motherfucker. Ha 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 ha.
Shut up, big brains.
Yeah, I know I have a big brain unlike you, motherfucker.
That means you're fatter.
No it doesn't, motherfucker. And were you having sex cause your fucking dick is showing? Ha 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 ha.